we'll drill those out. We've got some nice sharp drill bits, so that shouldn't be a problem. When the pipe fitting goes back into the exhaust manifold, it's going to hold this tube in there, and this tube is going to be crimped on the end so that no exhaust gases can go in, and maybe Brian will actually tack this shut. And of course, it's just to make it so that the exhaust gases don't have a void to hit and go back. That's what that looks like. See if we can actually crimp this. There we go. Yeah, perfect. This is going great. Put this one in here. Okay. Okay guys, so here's what we have here. So I've got this all back installed. So he's going to weld this shut. He's also going to weld around the seam of this pipe fitting. Going to go around, and I think he's going to clean up some of these welds too. Like you see, there's a crack here. He's going to clean that up. And same thing here. So all of these will be sealed shut. And on the other side, I've got the tubes still in, but I've cut them and crimped them up. And I'm going to get Brian to seal these as well. So we're going to try and make the other manifold look exactly like this one. I'm going to drop him off in Gracefield, and I think I'm going to get him to hit this with some high temperature black paint as well. And I'll pay him to do all that work. So we're doing good here. Okay guys, super stoked. We got these both these manifolds prepped and ready to go to Brian for welding. So just basically just cut all the tubes, cut the tubes off here. And there's various little cracks here and there, but those will all get fixed by Brian. I've got the other side, the small pump tubes cut off and crimped so that they shouldn't impede the exhaust flow too much. And these will be welded shut as well. And I've kind of cleaned them up with the wire brush. They look pretty good, and I'm going to paint them with some good high temperature paint when they're all welded up. So yeah, super stoked for this. Should work out just fine here. Here's a spot where Brian was just testing to see if the welding is going to actually work. Take a Cast iron's a little hard to weld. Those are two dissimilar metals right there, but Brian's got a really good welder. He's also a very good welder, and he's got some good wire that he's using, so pretty good. Pretty good. I think this is going to work out just fine. So let's load these up in the car. I'm going to go down to Gracefield, drop these off at the shop, and we'll see you soon.